Alright everybody, welcome to part 4 of this tutorial series for PAMM. In this video we're going to talk about the assistant mode and how to run it to have PAMM perform your commands for you verbally. So as soon as you start the assistant mode, PAMM is going to be listening on the background using your microphone. And if you have a microphone that does not separate background noise very well, a lot of times PAMM will pick up commands or things that you didn't actually say, but just due to the limitations of the speech recognition, sometimes it tries to interpret things from background noise. So hopefully you have a good microphone that can separate that noise. But whenever you want to activate it, you'll just start by saying, "Hey there, PAMM. Hey there, PAMM." So now you can see here that it's activated, waiting for a command. And if it doesn't recognize your command, it'll just say command not recognized. If it ever gets activated for some reason, but you don't actually want it to listen to you, you can just say stop listening or never mind. Stop listening. If you forget what your macros are and you need to see a list of that, you can just say show my commands. Show my commands. If you ask it to show your commands, it will give you the list of the different macros that you've created. PAMM features a continuous mode, which allows you to continuously give it commands without having to reactivate it each time. Hey there, PAMM. Turn on continuous mode. If for whatever reason a command starts running and you didn't want it to do that, you can say cancel command as it's running and it will stop the command. And then finally, after you're done using PAMM, you could just tell it to return to menu and it'll stop listening on the background altogether and return you to the main menu. So here in assistant mode, you'll also notice two buttons. Here at the bottom we got this question mark button, which if you click that, it'll show you the list of all these commands again in case you forget, and it'll show you as well how to run certain macros. So you can always look that up if you forget. And then there is also this button down here will start a confirmation mode, which basically whenever that's selected, if your microphone's giving you trouble and PAMM's hearing a lot of things that you didn't say, this will allow you to confirm each time before a macro is run. Hey there, PAMM. Give me a brush. So there you'll notice it gave me a question mark to make sure that it heard correctly, and then I could say yes or no. At which point I say no. So as long as that option is selected, you can confirm each time and just make sure that PAMM is running the macros that you want it to. If at any time you want to return to the menu, you can either tell it verbally or you can click on the close button, which will return you to the home menu. Alright, so that is the basics of how to use the assistant mode. But hope you've enjoyed this tutorial series. Have fun just messing around with it. Until then, see you later.